I've been accredited with Santa Lucia Marketing for over 8 years na. So, doon na nag-start din yung career ko with Santa Lucia Marketing. Definitely one of the most memorable sales was when I helped the young couple. So, they were about to get married. At first, hesitant talaga sila mag-invest kasi they were starting pa ng family nila. But with the help din ng Santa Lucia, para malaman nila kung paano yung payment terms. So, they were able to get the property they wanted talaga for their family. So, they were happy talaga. Dream house actually daw nila yun. Santa Lucia is really a big part sa achievements ko, no, sa goals. So, I was able to become stable na, especially sa financially. Santa Lucia Marketing is one of the factors then kung bakit ako nagkaroon ng mga investments. So, I was able to get a condominium and a house and lot. If you are a real estate salesperson, a broker, looking for growth and success with real estate, Santa Lucia Marketing is the best profile for you. Ako si Janice Ramos, registered salesperson, and I am proud to be an accredited sales partner of Santa Lucia Marketing, Palawan. Join us and be the next champion sales partner.